Hello, Trailblazers! Today we're embarking on a journey to become mobile experts and evangelists. By the end of this unit, you'll be equipped with the knowledge to showcase the power of the Salesforce mobile app. Let's dive in. Let's dive into our objectives. We're here to learn, build, demonstrate, and pitch the Salesforce mobile app. Buckle up and let's get started. As a trusted mobile advisor, you've completed your mobile metamorphosis. Now it's time to absorb all the knowledge about the Salesforce app. Get hands-on experience and prepare to rally support for your mobile initiative. To educate your team on the Salesforce app, a demo is key. Include demo data, tell user stories, and be prepared for questions. Practice makes perfect, and if you record your demo, it becomes a valuable training asset. Let's navigate to the Salesforce app and prepare for our demo. Remember, demo data and real-life stories enhance the impact. Now, the real challenge pitching the Salesforce app to executives. Don't go alone. Bring a supportive manager. Keep it brief and focus on the business value. Let's turn those executives into mobile enthusiasts. As you present the benefits, be ready for questions about the mobile app's capabilities. Encourage process improvement by asking more questions. Break up processes into mobile-friendly steps for enhanced productivity. And there you have it. As a mobile expert and evangelist, you're ready to customize the Salesforce app to meet your company's needs. In the next unit, we'll explore customization in detail. Keep trailblazing.